Hello everyone, good time to all of you. Hope you all are fit and fine. First of all, thank you very much the authority for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about my topic. Today I am going to talk about one of the biggest problems in Bangladesh, and that is corruption. Corruption means using illegal ways to gain personal benefits. It destroys our honesty, justice, and progress of a nation. But unfortunately in Bangladesh, corruption has spread in almost every sector, like politics, education, health, jobs, and even small offices. Many people take and give bribe to get their work done. Because of this, many talented and honest people stay often behind, and while dishonest person move forward. This creates frustration, inequality, and slows down the development of our country. Do you know what the most painful thing is? Even a poor man sometimes has to pay money to get his rights. When corruption becomes a habit, it destroys our whole morality of society. But we should remember, corruption is not just our government problem, it's our problem too. If you want a corruption-free country, we must start from ourselves. We have to be honest, responsible, and brave enough to say no to corruption. Our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he said, the culture of Allah is upon the bribe taker and giver. So as a Muslim, as a good citizen, we should follow honesty and justice in our daily life. The youth of Bangladesh, like us, we are the future leader of our country. So if we stay honestly and strong, one day we can easily remove this kind of problem, inshallah. So let's take an oath today. We will not support corruption in any form, not in school, not in exam, not in job, even not in our real life. Thank you everyone for listening with patiently.